just 80 kilometers from Hanoi. The historical relic site of Vietnam's first money printing factory stands as a proud symbol of the nation's early days of independence. Located in Lac Thi, Hoa Binh Province, now part of Phu Tho Province. This meaningful destination preserves the story of Vietnam's first printed banknotes and a resilient chapter in national history. Visitors can also combine their journey with nearby attractions such as Huong Pagoda, Tam Chuk Pagoda and Thien Pagoda. The historical relic site of Vietnam's first money printing factory is more than a destination. It is a journey back to the roots of the nation's independence. Located at Chi Ni Plantation, this site is closely connected with patriotic businessman Dien Thien, whose family property became the birthplace of the first money printing factory of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam after the August Revolution. The relic site was also honored to welcome President Ho Chi Minh on 2 visits, highlighting its important historical value. Today, the site serves as a meaningful place for historical education, especially for students, organizations, and visitors who wish to learn more about Vietnam's revolutionary journey. Through preserved stories, artifacts, and real experiences, visitors can better understand the spirit of patriotism, self-reliance, and the efforts that helped build the foundation of a new Vietnam. The experience continues by electric car, taking visitors through the green and refreshing space of Trinh, the Dien Mulberry field. This ecological stop within the relic complex connects the historical story with the silk-related legacy of Mr. Dien Thien and Mrs. Trinh the Dien's family. Here, visitors can see lush mulberry rows, pick mulberry leaves by hand, and learn how these simple leaves begin the journey from silkworm raising to cocoons and soft silk products. After picking the leaves, visitors continue to the silkworm house. They can observe trays of silkworms, learn about the silkworm life cycle, and directly feed them with the leaves they have just harvested. This hands-on activity creates a close and lively experience, especially for students, families, and group visitors. The journey then continues to the Dien Thien silk weaving and silk reeling workshop, a highlight that recalls the family's connection with silk production and business in the past. At the workshop, visitors can observe the main stages of making silk products, selecting cocoons, reeling silk threads, processing and twisting the threads, and weaving them on the loom. Each stage requires care, skill, and patience. From Trinh the Dien Mulberry field to the Dien Thien workshop, visitors do not only listen to history, they can see, touch, experience, and feel the story for themselves. Another unmissable highlight of the journey is the money printing experience. Visitors can directly take part in the printing activity and print samples of the Hoa banknotes that were once printed here in 1946. This activity makes history more approachable, visual, and memorable, especially for student groups taking part in educational visits and source returning experiences. After the experience activities, visitors can stop by the memorial room and product display area, recreated from Cat Loi Silk Shop at 54 Hangay Street, once connected with Mr. Dien Thien and Mrs. Trinh the Dien's family. Here, visitors can explore silk clothing, silkworm pupae specialties, mulberry syrup, mulberry leaf tea, and the Hoa banknote set once printed at this site. To close the journey, visitors can enjoy the resistance meal, featuring mixed rice, stir-fried silkworm pupae with pork, and several dishes with local flavors. In particular, visitors can also taste con wine, a distinctive cultural feature in community life. During the meal, visiting groups will enjoy the Melodies of Muong Land performance, featuring music and traditional dances. The combination of cuisine, music, and culture creates an unforgettable impression at the end of the journey.